Abusia and the court HMA Eyo Okatakyie Afrifa mensa for the records. Our beka say oba be demonstration against Galamsey ekoso e Ghana a police for HMA omo makwan e ma ne nye demonstration enko FlagStaff house na ekopie mu e court no and the court akasa eha eye GH kwabi media so message obe subscribe na wa share wa like seni afofro nso ebenya biati say ya Galamsey ensem a ekoso Ghana eye 2 weeks ago Okatakyie Afrifa mensa ebechiremu a say demonstration and oba beye from 28th April to 30th what they come up police force omo man guard omo chiremu a omo ntumi e man guard e man nkoye demonstration and call FlagStaff house what you say na no kopie mu e wo court na ndam no ukasa de court echiremu a eyo Okatakyie Afrifa mensa obetumi aye ni demonstration akoba bi opese wo den okobia enti abusia enti ndam no ukasa de court echiremu a Okatakyie Afrifa mensa obetumi aye demonstration anytime anybody opese oye ekwakodu bia na yenkotie sene eye Okatakyie Afrifa mensa na o kan nsem abra court e kan bibia ewie yen.
Very clear. It is only the court that can determine this, and we believe that upon the engagement we had with them, they decided to go ahead with the court processes. But interestingly, the High Court has thrown out and struck down their case, and so everything we have planned from day one is still on course. We are very much focused at this point in time. We will only invite all Ghanaians, the churches, the mosques, the civil society groups, the youth who are mostly affected about the things we are doing today, and then the future generation who do not yet have the mouth to even advocate for themselves. That today let's come on board and then speak against Galamsey with one voice. Because today, if you believe you live in Accra and for that matter you are not concerned or bothered about this whole thing happening, then tomorrow it will affect your child. Definitely your extended family, one or two of them, will definitely be affected. We are not saying that we are against mining, no. But if indeed we want to do mining, and indeed we want our economy to benefit from mining, there are so many better ways for which we can do mining without destroying our water bodies. And so we are very much focused as a group. We have said that on the 28th at exactly 2 p.m. we are all gathering at Obra Sport. That is when the demonstration itself will begin. We'll go through the Ring Road Central, straight to the police headquarters, submit a petition to the IGP and ask him that in all the mining areas in this country, I mean, we have police officers and then commanders who are supposed to enforce the laws for which we have the Act 703, which is our Minerals and Mining Act. That stipulates clearly that if you want to do mining, there are A, B, C, D processes you ought to follow. Why is it that people are destroying the environment and yet the law enforcement agencies are unable to duly apply the law? And so it is time for us to speak up. It is time for us to call duty bearers to action. They must ensure that this canker called Galamsey has fallen, and that is our mission and that is our focus. It has nothing to do with President Mahama. It has nothing to do with the new government in office. It has nothing to do with the NPP or whatever. We are saying that Galamsey must fall because it's something that is affecting our society. It's something that is affecting everybody. And the human basic survival depends on our environment. And so today we must speak up to be able to survive the next generation. Thank you.
Prostitution we can't opportunity very drug is okay.
Justice must prevail. We are in a nation of laws, and rule of law shall prevail every time. Then the SCNO actually said, "Sienina ye kambumwa." Sebi obi a yedi mrasha ne sebi so ye posi, so ye president, so ye minister, so ye deyo. Ye manfo no pe anobe. It's all kind of constitution the preamble. Was we the people of Ghana in exercise of our natural and inalienable right, we give to ourselves and posterity. Etinye yenkwa. Ye ni nchirima kura no. Ye di amemwo tumi ehye omonsa. Eti tumi na ye dia, enye omodia. Eno na ye gina na so police ko injunction. okoji call summons so waji die yo se no ma dwene so mu di bebremra ye dia ya lawyer for no omu ya lawyer for omu nimde na hwese do omu sia to omu court ni ade abayi a ene ye camera o meka bi ene ye de so meka bi pa na Ghana for we ni a symbol e kire se said ye na nanu mu ye na no ni kobena boni the third me ade nya fa ahodie omu di akukuduro nyansa dimdie ekonye age fa ahodie ma ye Kwame Nkrumah mbeka ho akwaje sa akokosa mo saa na se mimi no mienu aduru me ne wo so dia esu ye bi eto aso na no ani ahase no ene police na me kwan se yenko ye demonstration in fact omu ni tumi gura so mga se omu sie kwan court pe na wo se tumi no ye ba ye nso asem no court no afa sekan watetim watwam wato atwene ba bi wo se asem no has been struck out in the police for yi wo mukasa na ye ka kire obi ase ajuada 2 p.m. Enye MPP sem enye NDC sem betie me MPP ni mapa, but the record shows that time mama ban e wo so munyina mu di adanse me ne Kwame Apia ku bia ogina me nche menua ye fatuo atro ye kon ekotano no mretano anua ekoko chesi ye che China for the buy. It tells you how patriotic we are when it comes to the fight against Galamsey. It's ye na kufodo penso na ye dia ye na jomama penso and bibia sign and ye rajomama ne time wo and ye ndisi ne time wo. We are fighting for a greater cause for the next generation. It's a 2 p.m. sharp. Ubia funny in boot lazy. Na memani lazy t-shirt and so be available and for baba GBA. Na munyina mum yenante we no nye ayi nyumto jambori. We nya kaka bia awewo mu solemn moment. Ye the candles beba wa wo ban fa candle kura. Na brani nyina yenko ye John Dramani Mamba. Before that ye be GhanaPolice headquarters ni abusa IGP say wono na ye the chief enforcement agent of the nation. Eti die enti na police ye dia aka dia ma mo se mo fight Galamsey na still amutimi fight wono ma ya answer wi a na fe ya to aso call ye opemu no ankasa o ye John Dramani Mamba e o FlagStaff house animu a commander in chief of the republic on the soja force so ye ne betena ho ama ade ache from 2 p.m. ni bedamu ama ade ache ni asa damu ama ade ache ni asa damu ama ade ache na so nya asem papa bi ka kire bia e bia e be soro wo no bo anya bibia nka nkire ya abatan apemfo wo mo wuo kidney diseases and ye bedawa for be 1 month said the yellow demonstration wo mo ye no France e di nya afa wodi no ye da mu nyina mase so juada mu nyina momra.
No, they've not done the English yet.
Abusia we see the etwagu e Okatakyie Afrifa mensa ne sad utie ne nsemo okana this guy no bold so bibi obeye bi obetumi aye enti se ne na police for HM o ma ne kwan e ma ne nkwa demonstration enko FlagStaff house no abusia and the court akasa se court kasa Ghana obia any say enti se ne Okatakyie Afrifa HM no se o bad demonstration on the 28th now ba no aboa wo ho wodi unsuo asole for na mo Ghana no yes monko na enyefe yes churches no monko na enyefe because we no enye MPP enye NDC eye Ghana ene ye ko Galamsey enye se me party ye 1 me party ye 2 dabi what you say enti se wo Ghana na se o pese Galamsey ase 2 dia ene ye kodwen we demonstration na ebe koso no abusuya ha na mede obesi message so be subscribe na wa share ama afoforo nso atie bi no omo nso akọ demonstration no akọ fight against Galamsey kete wo se enye dodo mu nwura makra baba.